Your patience, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. You're going to hear a ding here in just a moment. That signals the end of this heat. Speaking of the end of the heat, looks like only 2 are going to go to the distance. Falcon X. We're going to see crossover here in just a moment. And Flying J, here comes Falcon X. Boom, through that gate on that short side. Playing chicken with the side of the gate. 4 laps in, 2:14. And a seed time, guys, of 1:35, a minute 35. That is 95 seconds. That's a 32, a 33, and a 30 for Falcon X. That moves him up to the number 15 spot overall. As we round things out with Flying J as well. 3 laps in the session, 3 laps to 33. And that is it in all. Let's retrieve some quads. Let's not forget about Brain Train. He got his 3 laps in. Didn't even take the 4th. Didn't need it. The 3 laps in for him. 3 laps, 154. That moves him up to the number 37 position. He was trying to qualify. There we are. Brain Train in the number 37 position. We lost C-Train on 2. White Noise on 2. Team Defiance on 2. And let's retrieve some quads.